Welcome to the Southern River College student tutorial of how to use Office 365. Once you're in Sector, you now need to be able to use Office 365. Using the Sector student splash page, as you can see where the mouse is, please click on the paper airplane which is signalled for icon. A new window will then appear. As you can see now, I am in a student's Outlook. You can then see where all your emails are. If you want to set up email boxes for different emails, you can by clicking Email, right click, Create New Subfolder. Here you can put different teachers in or subjects which may help you. By clicking right click, Create New Subfolder, you may put Resume, you may put ATAR, whatever you want. Here you can then drag and drop different emails in and they'll go to this box. So for example, if I'm in maths, that has just gone into there. If I want to move it back to a generic email, I'll just place it there, I click on my email and it's there. Now, to use Office 365, it's really important that you're aware of the top left-hand corner where you can see my mouse is hovering over now. The 3x3 square, when you click on it, opens up a mini window. Here you can see there's multiple apps. These apps are all free to download if you're in the education system. There will be a different tutorial on this and a help sheet. Now, what I'm now going to show you is how to save your work. Where you can see the OneDrive, what you need to do is click on the ellipses button. These are the three dots. Click on the left hand side of your mouse and press Open a New Tab. What you'll now see is this student has set up their work in different folders for different subjects, e.g. Career and Enterprise, Food Cooking, Maths, a Resume and Science. To add a new folder, for example, English is not here, you'll move to the top left hand corner where it says New. Click on the left hand side of your mouse and press Folder. From there, type in your subject and you're ready to go. If you want to organise yourself, you may want to put different years so you can then review it as years go. So for example, right now, I'm in year 11. I may do that. And then I can then drag and drop my previous work in there. This is something that you'll do at the end of the year. If I don't want that folder, I click on the three ellipses button and press delete. I'll then ask you, are you sure you want to delete it? Press yes. Now, once I have all my folders set up, which I recommend every student doing, you'll now need to then click in and organize yourself as you wish. My advice is that you have a Term 1, Term 2, Term 3, Term 4 folder. So I'm going to set my Term 1 folder as I'm in Term 1. I press OK. From there then, I can place work in wherever I want. Now, if I want to go back to see all my files, all I do is where I see I'm currently in the location, I move to the left where it says My Files. I can click there. Alternatively, if I was back in English, if I just go to the left-hand side and click My Files, I'm then also back to all my files. Now, if I want to do work, what I will then do is go back to the 3x3 box, click on it, and again, the app's open. Personally, you'll be using mainly OneNote with your teachers, Word, PowerPoint, and Excel. Teams will be used if we're in lockdown for COVID, where you can then listen to your teacher via a WebEx or video call. So, if I've got an essay to write, it's really useful to use 365 as it saves automatically. So again, click on the three dots, open a new tab. What will happen now, as long as I've got Wi-Fi, is a new document will open. Along the top here, different templates are available. If you just want a plain document, click on New Document. A new document online will load. A really good thing about 365 is that it saves automatically. Now, first of all, I need to title my document and save it. So I'm going to start an English essay. In the top left-hand corner, next to Word, it says Document. What I'm now going to do is title it as my English essay. And you can put the date. From here, underneath where it says Location, I can then move it where I want to. So previously, I set up all my files. I can then click on English, Term 1, and move here. The best thing about 365 is that it automatically saves. No more, I've lost my work. No more, I've lost my USB pen. So, when I'm here and I'm typing, as you can see in the top left-hand corner, it's saving as I work. Again, constantly saving. Really useful, really powerful. Once I've finished my work, if I want to save it or need to attach it, there's multiple ways of doing this. So, I can share it. If I want to share my work with my friends, I can do that also. So you've got multiple options to do this. First of all, people can specifically view. If you want to change this and allow editing, you click this button here and press apply. If you only want certain people with the link, you can click here. If you want everyone to view it, you can click here. Personally, if you're going to share your work, only say specific people, then press apply. Then you need to know the person's email. So I'm going to email Mr. Davis. I type in Cradock. Here you can see where they teach, Southern River College, as you hover over the name. Then you're going to email the teacher. So hi sir, here is my first draft. Regards. When you're happy, you can press send and it'll go to that teacher. And it will then show you an image that it's been sent. Alternatively, if you need to download this onto your computer and then attach it to Sector, this is another way of doing it. You go to File, you'll press Save As, and then you'll download as a copy and save it onto your computer. This will then be saved in your downloaded file on your computer. Again, I advise you to have subjects saved just like the 365. To check that's all there, what I need to do if I want to go back now or check my emails, use the 3x3 box, click the ellipses button, the three dots, open a new tab, go to English. You can see 5 minutes ago it was last modified, and you can see my English essay was last modified a minute ago. If I click on that, I can then restart my essay where I left off. So don't worry if you just close your laptop or it runs out of battery. When it was last saved, it will load. So there's no more excuses of I don't know what I've done or where I've gone. If you want to go onto a PowerPoint or edit a PowerPoint, exact same process. 3x3 button, find PowerPoint, click on the ellipses, open a new tab. Here you can find your previous presentations. Again, you can find or start a new presentation. Again, really, really useful. What you're going to do here when you save it, and you're doing your work, simply in the top left-hand corner, change the title. If you want to save it in a certain aspect, you click on the process where it says my files, and you can place it wherever you'd like. Then click move here. From here then, what we're looking at is to edit the document, title, and away we go. If you want to add a new slide, simply click, and again, it's saving, as you've seen in the top left-hand corner. Again, really useful, really powerful.